What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you Curri Driver app review. So you're wondering if Curri Driver app itself is great for you. Well, there are a few things here that you may want to know. So, the Curri Driver app is geared towards independent contractors, especially for those who have or already have a vehicle, whether it's for regular car, pickup truck, or even like flatbed. It's built for delivering construction materials, not food or passengers. So right off the bat here, it's more a niche gig here. Now, once you're actually approved to use the app, or once your application has been approved, the app will start sending you delivery requests based on your area. Now, each job shows you the pickup and drop off location, the estimated distance here, and most importantly, how much you'll get paid. Now, you can accept or decline any offer, so you're never locked into anything you don't want to do. That flexibility is one of the app's biggest selling points here. There's also a mix of delivery types here, like some are on demand and others are scheduled ahead of time. So payments are made weekly through direct deposit, so the process is pretty streamlined once you get going. A lot of users really like Curri gives detailed info upfront about each job here. That means no surprises when you show up. It's ideal if you already own like vehicle and just want to a side hustle here without committing full time to something like Uber or DoorDash. That said, the job availability depends on heavily on your location. Oh, if you live in or near a construction heavy area, you'll probably see more and better offers. But in quieter towns, your jobs can be inconsistent. That makes it, in this case, tough to rely on Curri as your main income source. Also, keep in mind, Curri pays per job, not per hour. So if your job is short and doesn't pay much, it might not always be worth your time, especially after fuel costs. So if you're strategically located and maybe like have a larger vehicle, you could unlock better paying deliveries more often. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.